Hi there mga beloved kong soulmates! Welcome to Renzo Tarot Channel. Nandito lang po yung likod para bigyan dyan isang soulful, meaningful na tarot reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi na pangalan. Sinusubaybayan na Renzo Tarot Channel. Mega shoutout po sa lahat nating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na lagi nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Ating pong reading ngayon na pagsasamahan ay isang timeless reading para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Libra. Okay, Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. This is for you. Pag sinabi po nating timeless reading ay kahit anong oras po o kahit anong araw, linggo, buwan, o taon niyo po ito mapanood, ang ibig po sabihin ay para po sa inyo ang energy ng reading na ito. Okay? Mega shoutout po sa lahat ng ating mga soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo. I hope you're doing great. I hope you're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating reading at nagustuhan niyo po at di po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe po, mag-like, mag-comment, and share. And if you're watching this video po sa ating TikTok account, Renzo Taro 444, please do follow, comment rin po kayo. And if you want to avail a personal reading, mag-send lang po kayo ng message sa ating TikTok account. Kayo po yung una mag-chat sa akin. Important notice po, may mga scammer po, may mga nanggagaya po ng ating account, and also may mga nag-re-upload po ng videos natin. Please, hindi po ako yung una mag-chat sa inyo para mag-offer ng personal reading. Doble ingat po kayo ha. So kayo po yung mag-chat sa akin at pag-uusapan po natin kung paano kayo makakapag-book ng personal reading. Okay, huwag na nating patagalin pa to. Okay, Libra, kunin na natin ay yung 10 baraha para sa yung timeless reading. Spirit Universe, Spirit Gates, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, 10 cards please for Libra. Spirit Universe, Spirit Gates, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, 10 cards please for Libra. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal simula noon hanggang ngayon na hindi niyo po ko iniiwan. Talagang yung loyalty niyo po ay laging nandyan. And with that, I owe everything to you. Simula noon hanggang ngayon ay talagang andyan po kayo. Okay? So, 6 last 4 cards for you, Libra. Okay. Sige, last 2 cards, Spirit Universe, Spirit Gates, Angels, Ancestors. 2 cards please for Libra. Alright, Libra. Your 10 cards are now ready. I know that you're so excited. Sige. Sige po. Alright. Sige. Let's begin, Libra, your timeless reading with your opening card, which is the 7 of Cups. I can see here that you're considering a lot of options as of now. Medyo naguguluhan ka pa daw, Libra, kung alin yung uunahin mo, kung ano bang pipiliin mo, or what path are you going to choose. As of now, you are being distracted, or your mind is being, occupied ng mga choices na hindi mo pa alam kung saan ba or ano ba talaga. So as of now, you are in a decision making, you are in a state of kumbaga making options. And kasi nakikita natin dito, marami kang gustong gawin, marami kang gustong subukan, marami kang gustong pasukan, but still you're undecided ka pa rin sa sitwasyon mo, Libra. Medyo magulo pa ang lahat para sa'yo. Tingnan nga natin, ha? Okay. So for you Libra, to be decided o para maging maliwanag or malinaw ang lahat para sa iyo kung alin bang path, kung ano ba talaga ang pipiliin mo. So first, ang una mong gagawin is, to move away from a certain situation that is not working for you anymore. Maybe you're still entertaining, communicating with people who are giving you distractions, maybe toxic or negative yung situation, but still, andyan ka pa rin, di ka umaalis pa rin sa sitwasyon na yan. Workplace, relationship, friendship, or kung ano man. So, that is not healthy and good for your growth. So, kailangan mong mag-move away from that situation. You need to start by moving away from a situation that is not healthy and is not helping for your growth, Libra. Okay? So, kaya pala medyo malabo, magulo ang lahat kasi isa rin sa factor na nakaka-apekto daw, Libra, para sa'yo is that you are in a situation that is not for you or it's not healthy, not friendly for you. Pangatlo mong baraha is a very beautiful card. Timeless reading, para sa timeless reading mo, Libra, Ace of Pentacles. You are guaranteed. May malaking blessing na parating dito. This is not only money kasi Pentacle ito, but in a holistic way, in a whole aspect, new love life, good, kumbaga, stable job, high paying job, or, this is a new blessing for you, new opportunities that will be opening for you with the Ace of Pentacles. So, claim mo na to. But for you to, kumbaga, to truly claim, or para kumbaga, makuha mo talaga ito, mabilis itong dumating sa'yo, first, you need to clear away the blockages in your life. So, in yourself, by, baka may blockage ka mentally and spiritually, and even in your emotions, you need to cast all of your fears. Una, tanggalin mo yung takot mo, tanggalin mo yung mga pagdadalawang isip mo, pangamba, doubts, kasi naboblock ang mga blessings. So, but here you are, Libra, merong mga blessings, merong surprises, may good news na parating. Okay? But tulungan mo ang sarili mo, na unang-una talagang tanggalin mo yung mga takot, pangamba sa yung sarili. Change it by thinking positively, okay? By doing things honestly, and of course, hindi ka magpapapekto sa ibang tao. Okay? You're doing what you want, kumbaga, without reservations. Hindi mo iniisip yung validation from other people, Libra. Okay? Pangapat is the Page of Wands. So, ang nakikita kasi natin dito, Libra, of course, you are rushing everything. Nagpamadali kayo. Gusto nyo makuha agad isang bagay sa gusto, sa time frame. May sinaset kayong oras or, kumbaga, paraan para makuha ito. That's why, if hindi ito nag-work para sa'yo, nadi-disappoint kayo. Okay, this Page of Wands is a reminder for you to be grateful as of what you have as of now. Hindi to overnight success. Hindi mo makukuha ang lahat ng bagay, blessings, lahat-lahat, happiness sa paraan at oras na gusto mo. May sariling timeline ang bibigay ng universe para sa Libra. With a Page of Wands, you need to be grateful what you have as of now. Ayan yung tatlong pyramids, and then yung dreams mo, yung, your goals in life, your plans in life. But, meron namang nagtumutubo. Hindi naman talaga kalakihan, hindi naman ito yung gusto mong growth. But still, isipin mo, may blessing pa rin. Okay? May nangyayari pa rin growth. And kung magmamadali ka, you will not realize, baka lumaga pa ka. But if you appreciate these small wins that you have, okay, Libra, it will make you grateful. It will make you happy and contented. And it will set up your mind na, okay, mas lalo itong lalago, mas lalo itong lalaki. Okay, Libra, dapat ganyan yung mindset mo. Appreciate what you have as of now, and everything else will follow later. Paglima mong baraha, Libra, is the Knight of Wands. Tingnan mo, ha. Page of Wands and Knight of Wands. Connected yan, ha. Pakita ko sa'yo. Tatlong pyramids, and then yung tatlong pyramids. If you learn if you learn how to be grateful, kung natutunan mo para maging grateful at bagang pasalamat sa kung anong meron ka sa ngayon, kahit maliliit mang bagay, with the Knight of Wands, magpupunga ito ng good news. Makikita mo mabilis ang progress. Kasi sa small blessings pa lang, marunong ka nang marunong ka nang pasalamat, marunong ka nang makontento. Then with the Knight of Wands, here you are, ito pa rin yung blessings mo, magiging mabilis ang response ng universe para sa Libra. Makikita mo lahat ng signs na hinihingi mo, yung progress magiging accelerating, it will be so fast. Magugulat ka, may mga good news, may mga, growth-related na news, balita tungkol sa bagay na yan na pinapangarap mo. Your dreams, your aspirations, your job, your dream business, your dream destination, dream travel, or kung ano man yan. So there will be good news at magiging mabilis. Okay? But first, ulitin ko, you need to be grateful as of now. Okay, Libra, before we proceed to our last 5 cards sa ating timeless reading, ulitin ko po, kapag di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe. Yun lang po ang tulong na hingin ko po sa inyo. And if you're watching this in our TikTok account, please do follow Renzo Taro 444. Mag-comment rin po kayo. And please send me a direct message if you want to avail a personal reading, ha. Ulitin ko po, magdoble ingat po sa mga scammer. May nanggagaya po sa ating mga account. And nag-re-upload ang videos natin. Dito na po kayo sa Legit, sa almost 7K followers and counting. Hindi po ako yung una mag-chat sa inyo para mag-offer ng reading. Kayo po dapat mag-chat po sa akin. Doble ingat po tayo ngayon sa panahon na napakarami yung naglipa na po ang mga scammer at manloloko. Okay, let's continue, Libra, sa yung timeless reading. Pang-anim mong baraha is the High Priestess. Okay. 7 of Cups here, diba sabi ko dito, you don't know, as of now, naguguluhan ka pa sa mga choices, sa mga decision na gagawin mo. So for it to work, and kumbaga para maging malinaw ang lahat, para maging okay ang lahat, so samahan mo lagi, itiwala mo with the High Priestess, itiwala mo ito sa Panginoon, sa universe. Okay, don't lean on your own understanding and skills. I know, Libra, matalino ka. I know, talented ka, but hindi lahat ay kumbaga mangyayari according sa galing natin. Kailangan itong itiwala or kailangan talagang ibigay mo lahat sa Panginoon at sa universe and everything will succeed. Okay? So, kailangan dasal, doble kayo, triple and 100 times of prayers para sa manifestations mo na ito. Okay? And later on, you will see that there will be clarity sa mga gusto mong mangyari. Okay? So, samahan ng dasal, Libra. Pang-pito is Justice card. Oh, Six of Swords. And nandito yung Justice. Nakakakita ko, Libra, na siguro may mga inaayos kayo lately or nasa sitwasyon kayo ngayon na parang may involved ng, authority, legal matter, may kinasuhan ba kayo, may kayo ba ang kinasuhan, na-involve kayo sa barangay, mga, may mga inaasikaso kayong process. Kung wala mang ganun, may mga Libra bang nag-aayos ng property, nag-disclose, may mga, parang may mga inaayos, basta regarding sa papers, legal, or maybe property-wise, kung ano may someone in authority na involved yung gobyerno, nakakita ko dito, okay? So, take it easy, don't be afraid, relax lang, kasi nakikita ko dito, in the soonest time, magiging okay din ang lahat. And magkakaroon din ng clarity. Okay, so wag madaliin, wag ma-stress. Okay, kasi nakakita naman tayo dito with the Ace of Pentacles ng resolution or solution in the future. Pangwalo, buti na lang nag-reverse. Okay, bumaliktad siya. So, Three of Swords in reverse. Ang Ace of Pentacles ang katapat niya lately. Kung ang problema niyo daw talaga, Libra, ay may kinalaman sa money or finances. Ito yung pinaka number one na top of mind mo lately na gumugulo talaga or nagkakos sa'yo ng sleepless nights, stress, anxiety. Kasi kailangan mo ng malaking amount of money to solve something para ma-settle isang bagay, mabayaran ng isang sitwasyon. So, kung yan ang problema mo, nag-reverse yung sword dito. So, expect growth, expect solution, magiging magana ang lahat. Kasi pag ganito ito, kahit pa paano, sabihin, hindi mo pa totally masasolve, medyo magkakos pa ito ng sakit sa damdamin mo, stress. But dahil nag-reverse na siya, so with the Three of Swords, I can see her solution is coming on your way kung problema mo ay kaperahan. Aside from may darating na pera, it will help you to solve that matter or kumbaga para maibsan ang pasarin mo, yung baggage mo in terms of finances. Pang-siyam mong baraha, Libra, sa ating timeless reading. Napakagandang reading ito, ha? So, Two of Cups, okay? So, sabi ko nga, if you learn how to be grateful, if you've been contented what you have as of now, huwag kang magmamadali kung hindi mo irarush ang mga bagay-bagay. So, help is on the way for you, Libra. May mga taong lalapit sa'yo para tumulong, para mag-offer ng mga bagay na makakatulong sa'yo in terms of finances or improving your situation in terms of resources or money-wise, job. So, maaaring job offer ito, side hustle, sideline, o kung ano man, new business, new place to move on, or maybe kung ano man naman, kung anumang tulong na may bibigay ng ibang tao para sa iyo. Okay? You really wanted, talagang kailangan mo itong tulong na to at hindi mo kailangan itong palagpasin. Okay? So, but kailangan mo pa rin matutunan, sabi ko nga na, don't rush everything. You don't need to rush anything. You need to be careful with planning. You need to be, kumbaga, one step at a time. Hindi pwedeng pabara-bara yung mga desisyon natin. Ha? 10th and last card mo, Libra, sa yung timeless reading. Tapusin natin to with the Knight of Swords. Okay. Knight of Wands, dito sabi ko, may mga news na parating. So, kailangan yung reaction mo dito is kailangan kalmado. Okay. Even sa people around you, kailangan yung reaction mo ay kailangan hindi OA or kailangan kung pwede manahimik ka lang muna mag-message kasi baka may conflict dito. May conflict ako nakikita dito. Parang lately na-involve kayo or baka ma-involve kayo sa conflict, sa mga sagutan, away kung hindi nyo kokontrolin yung sasabihin nyo, kung hindi nyo kokontrolin yung reaction nyo. Okay? Hindi maiiwasan yung mga certain conflict na nangyayari. But pipigilan naman yan or nasa-settle naman yan kapag yung isa ay hindi nagre-react ng mas violent or kumbaga mas hindi maganda. So I can see her conflict but this is regarding with the news na parating. So para may iwasan ito, Libra, para hindi lumala ang conflict or yung situation, you need to act calmly, you need to act wisely, and of course, kailangan hindi mo, pag-isipan mo mabuti ang mga salitang lalabas sa bibig mo, and of course, your reaction should be, kumbaga, calm din at of course, professional. Okay? So Libra, this is a very cool, chill lang itong timeless reading mo. We don't have any problem here. There's no devil, there's no certain depression and anxiety tayo nakikita dito. There's no problem. You will be moving forward, ha? So, I hope and I pray na marami nasa sign ng Libra ang makapanood nito ngayon, and I'm wishing you all the best in life. Thank you so much mga Libra kong soulmates sa inyong muling pagsama. Mag-iingat kayo lagi ha, nasa mga naroon, ano man ang ginagawa nyo. God bless us all.